Hey guys, today we are going to make some patterns. We've been making patterns in our one-on-ones this week, but if you've not been able to join us for a one-on-one, these are some tree artifacts. Well, they're kind of like tree artifacts. Mine are plastic, but I have different colored leaves and I have some different acorns. So these are some of the things that you probably have found with your tree study and your tree investigation. So you can gather your tree artifacts and you can do this at home with those. Or if you don't have them, you can also just use other things at your house, either some toys or maybe some different colored cereal or some beads, anything that you can find to make some patterns with. So we are going to start with a very easy pattern. This pattern is going to be brown, red, brown, red, brown, red. See, my pattern repeats. It's just one color after the other. So we have brown, red, brown, red, brown, red. Or I could make a pattern that has two browns and yellow, two browns and yellow, two browns and yellow. What would come next? Brown, brown, yellow, brown, brown, yellow, brown, brown, yellow, brown, brown, because I have two browns together all along this line, so I have to make it match. And then I would put a yellow. I can make a pattern that looks like this, right? Let's see. I could also make a pattern with three items. So maybe I want to make a pattern with my green leaf and an acorn and a red leaf. Right, so green, acorn, red. Green, acorn, red. Green, acorn, red. Right? That is another way that you could make a pattern. You could make a pattern with three things and repeat that pattern over and over again. So I want you to use whatever you have at home to make a couple patterns for me today. So use your items, make at least two different patterns, and send me a video letting me see what you made.